Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kayla and I'm coming back to you again with another little skincare routine video. Before we get into it, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and to see more videos. Also, hit that notification bell to get notified when my video drops. Okay, so we're gonna get right into it. Today we will be doing the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Mask. I'm excited to show you guys. Not many people know about what this is, but you will learn today. Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay is a deep poring cleansing facial hair and body mask. It's great for facials, body wraps, clay bath, foot soaks, and etc. I use this to get deep down into my pores, and anytime I have breakouts, this is just my go-to. Okay, so what we'll be needing is the Aztec Secret Healing Clay Mask, as I just mentioned. I bought this for $11.99. If you're from Toronto, you can get it from BCI, BSW, Clore. If you see it, you need to buy it, okay? Also, I bought apple cider vinegar from Food Basics. You can also find apple cider vinegar anywhere. Whole Foods, if you're from the States. If you're from here, Food Basic, No Frills, yeah. Also, I got an old container that I'll be using to mix everything, as well as a popsicle stick. You don't want to be using a metal spoon, because if you use a metal spoon, you're going to be activating the clay with the vinegar, which is not good. It's just not good. Also, I'm going to be adding a drop of tea tree oil. Tea tree is very good for pores, also targeting acne. If you have that stubborn pimple, it will get rid of that eventually, but it's good. It's a good little add-on. So that's what we're going to be using today. To begin, you need your bowl, and I'm going to be using 5 scoops of the Indian clay mask. I might be needing more depending on the consistency, because my goal is to get a nice smooth consistency. So even if you use more, that is okay. It's not the end of the world. So we just begin putting our scoops in. Next, you're pouring your apple cider. I'm going to start off by pouring a small amount. If I need more, I will reach out for it and pour some more. The goal, like I said before, is to get a nice consistency. You don't want it too runny and you don't want it too thick. Use your best judgment. Next, I'll be adding in the tea tree oil, which is a popular choice for treating acne because it's an anti-inflammatory. It's thought to calm redness, swelling, and inflammation. It may even help to prevent and reduce acne scars, leaving you with smooth, clear skin. So I'll just add a few drops of that into my mask. Now I'm ready to apply the mask on my face. I'm using my Morphe makeup brush, which I really shouldn't be using my brush, but you can either use your makeup brush or the popsicle stick or any sort of brush that you have and just apply evenly on your face. During the drying process, I did experience a little bit of tingling, but I'm not scared because I know it's the apple cider vinegar that is working its magic right now. And now what I'm about to do is remove this off of my face, of course. So I got a clean white cloth. You can use any color cloth, it doesn't matter. I just so happen to have this white cloth, and I'm warming it with some warm water, and I'm just gonna set it on my face. That way it prepares the clay to come off. It kind of loosens up the clay, which is so much easier for me to wash off. You can do it any way you want, just as long as the clay comes off your face. Now I'm just patting down my face with the warm washcloth. I'm doing this because I want the clay to loosen, as you can see. Now I'm ready to wash away all my sins. When you're done washing your face, you want to make sure you grab a towel and pat to dry it. Make sure you get off all the excess water. Then you want to go in with your favorite toning spray and your favorite cream, which I'll leave all the links in the description box of what I use after. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.